Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish house. First, let's talk about planning. You'll want to decide on the size and style of your fish house, considering how many people will use it and the type of fishing you'll do. Always check local regulations regarding ice structures and ensure you have all the necessary tools and materials before starting your build. Choosing a good location is also key. Next, we'll focus on building the foundation. Start by constructing a robust wooden frame for the base, which will support the entire structure. Attach sturdy runners or skids to the bottom, allowing you to easily move your fish house across the ice. Then, install a durable floor, typically made from plywood, and remember to add insulation beneath it to keep your feet warm. Now, let's enclose your fish house. Begin by erecting the wall studs and securing them firmly to the base. Once the frame is up, install your chosen exterior siding to protect against the elements. Construct a sloped roof to ensure proper water runoff, preventing snow and ice buildup. Finally, insulate the walls and ceiling thoroughly to maintain a comfortable temperature inside. For the final touches, make your fish house functional and cozy. Carefully cut fishing holes in the floor, typically around 10 inches in diameter. Install a safe heating unit and ensure adequate ventilation for air circulation. Add comfortable seating, practical shelves for your gear, and good lighting. Always prioritize safety by including a carbon monoxide detector and a fire extinguisher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.